Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add bank account to Payoneer. First, you'll have to open your Payoneer account, then go to manage on the left side. Now choose bank accounts for withdrawal. In some cases, you may find this option here, bank accounts on the left side, but here in my case, I have it in the manage section. And after that, here you have your account. You can simply click on add account if you need to add a new bank account. Then you just have to enter all the details about your account. Is it personal or business? And select the bank country, then select the bank currency. And after that, you will have to click on next. Then once you click on next, you'll have to enter all the data, including the bank name, account holder name, and IBAN. Then click on this box, I confirm, then click on next. And after that, you will be able to have the account added to your own accounts. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.